This is what happens when you dip your feet in vinegar one night a week. I'm still amazed. Apple cider vinegar is an oriental product with great benefits and uses. Not only culinary, but also medicinal. The origin of this product is completely natural and is achieved after a process of fermentation of sugars that is achieved with the apple, fresh and ripe. Thanks to this process, its brown color is achieved. You'll be amazed to know all you can get by just putting your feet in the vinegar every night before bed. Apple cider vinegar, besides a very characteristic aroma, has substances that are biologically active, with which it can be achieved to eliminate bacteria and germs that can be very harmful for our organism. Since ancient times, among the many uses that it gives, is the domestic use, for the cleaning of the home, to disinfect the body and to preserve food. In addition to being used to treat breathing, digestive problems and even to lose weight. Benefits of using vinegar on your feet. 1. Fight fungus on your feet. This use of vinegar to kill fungus on the feet is not a lie, but something that the Vinegar Institute affirms on its official website. You can use the vinegar mixed with another equal part of water to fight those obstinate funguses in your nails that do not want to disappear. You can also fight the fungi that are lodged in the middle of the toes of your feet. And to do this, you should only rest your feet in water with vinegar in equal parts for 15 minutes every day. 2. It will remove the itch in your feet. 3. It will help you soften your feet. 4. Helps remove warts on the feet. You've already heard it. Vinegar is a great ally for health. I ask 3.